Hi everyone. In today's video we'll be looking at the new Bose Soundbar 900. Opening the box you will find a high-speed HDMI cable, an optical cable, and a power cord, a remote and two AAA batteries, an Adapt IQ headset, a quick start guide. Your soundbar support Dolby Atmos, has Alexa and Google Assistant, voice video technology. It also works with Bose smart speakers. Now, all the stuff being taken out of the box, we can set up the soundbar. For the best sound quality you should set your soundbar in front of the TV, make sure that the speakers aren't blocked, connect the power cord into the back of the soundbar and the other end into an AC power outlet. The soundbar will automatically power up, and will enter the setup mode. For completing the setup, and accessing all the features of your new soundbar, you need to download the Bose Music app from Apple App Store or from Google Play. Log in, or create a new account. After you log in, tap the plus button and scan for your new soundbar. Once it has been found, press the Add button, and then follow the steps to complete the setup. You also need to connect your soundbar to your TV. It is recommended to connect it with the HDMI cable. If this is not possible, use the optical cable instead. The Bose Soundbar 900 support Dolby Atmos technology, which requires a connection to the TV with a HDMI cable. Connect the HDMI cable to the TV and to your new Bose Soundbar 900. Your soundbar is now ready to be used. Enjoy your new Bose Soundbar 900.